All right, welcome to the Breadstone Ovens Company. For commercial ovens, we have two options. We have a concrete dome oven, and those are, by example, the 1030C or the 1200L, and they were initially designed for mobile application. Those ovens are still a low dome design. They're still very well insulated. We still use the all-natural refractory clay bricks for the floor, but the dome materials are going to be a little thinner. So instead of 3 inches and a quarter like we see on the brick dome, we're going to be at 1 3/4 inches on the concrete dome. This is so they are mostly a little lighter and easier to put on a trailer or in a food truck. When it comes to pizza, there is really not that much of a difference. Most of the cooking is going to come from the flame, from the fire, or from the gas burner, and so you are really not going to be noticing any difference. It is more if you do very low temperatures type of cooking, if you are going to do a New York style or if you are baking bread, that really the true brick oven are going to make a difference in terms of heat retention and cooking results. So why pick a concrete dome or a brick dome? Well, personally, I really like the cooking result of the brick dome. So if it was for my business, that it is a trailer or a restaurant, we can do a brick dome without any problem, and that's going to be really the way to go. Now, if you have budgetary restrictions or you have weight restrictions and you need an oven to be a little lighter so it works better for your trailer or for your food truck, really the concrete dome is the way to go. So when it comes to the brick dome, we have a couple of options. We have a standard dome that is going to be 9.5 inches tall, and we have a raised option that is going to make the dome 3 inches taller, so 12.5 inches. When it comes to choosing between the standard and the raised dome, if you're going to be cooking pizza, baking bread, roasting a chicken, bake lasagna, then the standard dome is fantastic. If you also want to use the oven for grilling, doing a Thanksgiving turkey, using a rotisserie kit, the raised option will give you plenty of extra dome height for the rotisserie kit.